Here is the update regarding my payment. I got a failed payment because of using the same PayPal email, which I used on another Attapoll account. Attapoll is very easy. I got $3.78 by just doing 2 surveys, $1 survey, another $2 survey. Then you can see the Attapoll has so many payment options: PayPal, vote, bank transfer, but I cashed out using PayPal, and this is how I did my cash out. You can see, but at the end, I was told to wait for 72 hours for my payment to be sent. But unfortunately, after 24 hours, I checked my account and the payment was not there. So it's very, very sad. So this is what I got. It seems my method is no longer working, but I'm trying to figure out an easy way of doing it well and cashing out very nicely. But the iOS app and Android app are working perfectly. You can try them out on Crowdphone. Thank you.